Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I doing this morning? Well, I made that video on the Buick, and somebody had commented something about the expansion tank, or whatever you want to call it, for the cooling system, saying something about the radiator cap. So I wanted to check it out, because you never know. I mean, I miss stuff. So, just got back, it's Monday morning. Here she is. I just unlocked it. All right. We had a little bit of rain yesterday. So always better to be safe than sorry, let me tell you. All right. There's our little Ecotech 1.4. So they were saying this cap was moving around. But it is tight. I mean, that's how it's designed. I don't see an issue with that. And the fluid level's fine, so. Okay. Well, I just wanted to show you that. I appreciate when people point stuff out like that, especially when I still have the car. Had the car gone and I'll be like, ugh. Because you never know. I do miss stuff. Things happen. But I do appreciate it when people point stuff out. Usually I would notice stuff like that, but hey, you know, like I said, I'm human. I'm not perfect. I do make mistakes. I do miss things. So, anyway, just figured I'd show you that. All right, I just cleaned off some leaves. I bet you guys can't tell I got ADHD, right? I used to work at a shop where people would do this in the shop, and it would drive me crazy, getting all the leaves in the shop. I'm not gonna go nuts, but yeah. So like I said, I really do appreciate it when you guys point stuff out like that, especially when I do have the car here to check it. But all right, so that's pretty much it. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.